Most people think that shopping at a nursery means every plant is a safe bet, but here's the truth. Some plants on those shelves could bring more harm than beauty, especially for seniors looking for low-maintenance, worry-free gardens. Imagine unknowingly buying a plant that's toxic, triggers allergies, or becomes a never-ending chore. Today, we'll reveal 7 of the most dangerous plants commonly sold at nurseries and show you smarter, safer alternatives that let you enjoy a thriving garden without the hidden risks. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back to Zero to Purpose, where we turn simple, practical choices into purpose-filled lives for seniors. And if you're new, feel free to hit subscribe for clear gardening advice that keeps your home healthy and enjoyable. Let's get started and make sure your next trip to the nursery sets you up for comfort, joy, and safety in your gardening adventure. 7. Oleander, Nerium oleander. Oleander is a popular shrub for its colorful flowers, but few realize every part of this plant is highly poisonous. Just touching or pruning oleander leaves can cause irritation, while accidental ingestion, even in tiny amounts, can be fatal, especially for children and pets. Seniors should be especially cautious, as its toxic sap and fallen leaves pose a serious risk if handled without care. Why it's problematic. Oleander's danger lies in its potent cardiac glycosides, which disrupt heart rhythms. Even the smoke from burning oleander twigs or leaves can be toxic. Because it thrives in containers and hedges, unsuspecting gardeners might bring this threat right onto the patio or near walkways, making it an ongoing risk throughout the year. Simple care issue. Most gardeners underestimate just how little exposure it takes for oleander to cause harm. Gloves alone might not be enough for sensitive skin, and accidental transfer to eyes or mouth is hazardous. Avoiding oleander not only protects your health, but prevents medical emergencies and costly vet bills for pets. Safer choices mean less worry and more time enjoying your garden. Safer alternative. Rose of Sharon, Hibiscus syriacus. Try Rose of Sharon, an easy, non-toxic shrub with beautiful blooms that brighten garden spaces safely. Its sturdy stems and slow growth make it ideal for containers, hedges, or small yards. Pro tip: use deep, well-draining containers for Rose of Sharon and add a layer of mulch to keep moisture steady and roots cool. No special gloves required. 6. Foxglove, Digitalis purpurea. Foxglove looks charming with its tall, bell-shaped flowers, but inside lies a powerful toxin. Digitalis, the compound extracted from this plant, is used in heart medications, meaning an accidental nibble or even skin contact can cause symptoms like nausea, blurred vision, and dangerous arrhythmias. Why it's problematic. Foxglove self-sows aggressively, so it can pop up even where you didn't plant it. Its seeds spread easily through wind and water, making it hard to contain once established. Fallen blossoms and seeds might go unnoticed and get picked up by curious pets or visiting grandchildren. Simple care issue. Deadheading or dividing foxglove exposes gardeners to sap and seeds, multiplying the risk if done without full protection. Eliminating foxglove from your garden means peace of mind. You won't have to worry about tracking toxic residue indoors or managing unexpected seedlings that become a hazard. Safer alternative: penstemon, beard tongue. Penstemon offers similar vertical color and resilience, minus the toxicity. Its nectar is safe for pollinators and people alike and makes a vibrant cottage staple in containers. Pro tip: invest in lightweight containers for penstemon. They thrive in well-drained soil, watered only when dry, and full sun gives the best blooms. 5. Sago palm, Cycas revoluta. Sago palm is a trendy, easy-care houseplant, but beware, every part contains cycacin, which attacks the liver and nervous system. Pets, especially dogs, suffer quickly if they chew any leaf or root. Seniors may be at higher risk from accidental handling, as its spiky fronds can pierce skin and allow toxins in. Why it's problematic. Sago palm is slow-growing and hardy, but its seeds look like nuts, tempting for pets or children. Even brief contact with the sap can lead to itching, headaches, and more severe reactions. Simple care issue. A common mistake is placing sago palm at ground level indoors or outdoors, raising the likelihood of accidental ingestion. Swapping out sago palm saves unexpected medical and vet bills and avoids permanent damage from accidental exposure. a crucial peace of mind for seniors. Safer alternative, parlor palm, Chamaedorea elegans. Parlor palm brings a similar tropical flair, grows in containers, and is entirely pet and people-safe. It thrives under indirect sunlight and is virtually fuss-free. Pro tip: for lush growth, use peat-based soil and water when the top inch feels dry. No need for gloves or hazard warnings, just enjoy its tranquil greenery. 4. English ivy, Hedera helix. English ivy is a classic for ground cover and container gardens, but it comes with hidden dangers. Its leaves and berries trigger allergies, skin irritation, and can upset stomachs if ingested. It's also invasive, quickly overtaking flower beds. Why it's problematic: ivy climbs up walls, fences, and trees, often damaging structures and disturbing local wildlife. Breaking off old vines releases irritating particles into the air and on skin. Simple care issue: gardeners often forget to wear sleeves and masks when trimming ivy, exposing themselves to dust and plant oils that linger on clothes and surfaces. Avoiding English ivy keeps your garden safe for casual visitors and pets, and stops the cycle of constant pruning or battling runaway vines. Safer alternative: creeping jenny, Lysimachia numularia. Creeping jenny stays compact, spreads gently, and is safe to the touch. Its golden foliage offers brightness without aggressive growth or allergy risks. Pro tip: choose wide, shallow containers for creeping jenny. It thrives with weekly watering and partial shade, needing only basic attention for lush appearance. 3. Datura, angel's trumpet. Datura's large trumpet-shaped flowers draw in curious admirers, but this night-blooming plant is highly hallucinogenic and toxic in all parts. Ingestion or skin contact quickly leads to confusion, rapid heart rate, and, in severe cases, hospitalization. Why? It's problematic. Datura self-seeds and drops large pods with seeds that look harmless. Its foliage releases toxins into the soil, making nearby vegetables unsafe for consumption. Simple care issue: a mistake many make: sanitize hands after handling soil or tools used near datura to prevent accidental absorption. Cutting datura from your plant wish list sidesteps a long list of possible health threats, especially for seniors with sensitive systems. Safer alternative: Brugmansia, angel's trumpet, hybrid. This alternative offers dramatic blooms but is bred for lower toxicity. Kept in containers, hybrids stay easy to manage and pose far less risk. Pro tip: use gloves out of habit and keep containers elevated and out of pet reach for extra assurance. 2. Castor bean, Ricinus communis. Castor bean plants grow fast and look exotic, but their seeds contain ricin, a deadly poison known for its lethality even in minute doses. Even handling the leaves requires caution. Why it's problematic: castor beans vigorously self-sow and seeds resemble edible beans, making them unsafe around children or seniors with compromised health. Simple care issue: placing castor bean near walkways, patios, or outdoor seating increases everyone's risk with every dropped seed. Choosing not to plant castor bean removes the risk of accidental poisoning and opens up compassionate, safe garden design. Safer alternative: sunflowers, Helianthus annuus. Sunflowers deliver energy and height. With seeds you can actually eat safely, bringing vibrant color and practical harvests to gardens of all sizes. Pro tip: plant sunflowers in deep pots. Use quality compost and water regularly for vigorous growth. No toxicity concerns at all. 1. Autumn crocus, Colchicum autumnale. Autumn crocus flowers are stunning but disguise high levels of colchicine, toxic enough to cause severe illness or even death from minimal exposure. Why it's problematic: colchicine remains potent even in dried plant material, so accidentally touching or cleaning up spent blooms can be hazardous, especially for vulnerable seniors. Simple care issue: gardeners don't always mark autumn crocus locations during dormant seasons, accidentally disturbing bulbs and exposing toxic residue. Removing autumn crocus from nursery lists closes the door on dangerous mix-ups and ensures every garden moment is stress-free. Safer alternative: daffodils, narcissus. Daffodils give similar seasonal color, are simple to grow, and pose no health threat. They thrive with minimal upkeep and stay attractive year after year. Mark bulb locations with stakes for safety and rotate containers annually for the healthiest blooms. If you're finding this list helpful, tap the like button so more seniors can discover safe gardening solutions. Were you surprised by any plant on the list, or do you have a personal story to share? Post it in the comments. I read every single one, and your feedback keeps these videos growing strong. Priority bonus tip. Here's the thing most seniors miss. Always check a plant's toxicity rating before buying. Don't rely on nursery labels alone. Many retailers focus on beauty and ease of growth, but they rarely highlight health risks. Before bringing a new plant home, search out local extension office guides or trusted gardening sites for up-to-date safety info, especially when pets or grandchildren visit often. Another universal tip: opt for raised beds or containers with well-marked labels. This dramatically reduces accidental exposure and simplifies seasonal swaps. For even more protection, use organic mulch that reduces weed growth and shields roots, keeping the soil cool and safe for bare hands. Lastly, always have a designated space for washing hands and gloves after garden work. With these simple safeguards, you make the garden a haven, not a hazard, for every member of the family. Remember, smart planning today means fewer risks tomorrow and a lifetime of relaxed, purposeful outdoor living. You don't need risky plants to build a garden you love. By choosing safe, senior-friendly alternatives, you set up a space that's rewarding, beautiful, and low-maintenance season after season. Start with just one container. See how it grows, learn as you go, and build your purposeful oasis step by step. Whether you have a balcony, patio, or sunny window, these choices bring lasting peace and joy. Drop a comment below and tell me which alternative you'll try first. And if you're new here, hit subscribe so you never miss these practical tips for safer, happier gardening. Thanks for being a part of the Zero to Purpose community. Until next time, keep growing with confidence and ease.